Ever wondered how an AI chatbot can save you tons of money and countless hours? Discover how it can add tremendous value to your business, starting today. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Embrace the future of customer engagement now. Imagine providing instant, personalized responses to your clients 24/7 without lifting a finger. It's time to revolutionize the way you interact with your customers. Ready to transform your business efficiency and customer engagement? We have two great options for you. Join our exclusive limited seats workshop at shogini.com/workshop. Learn from our experts how to build a fully functional chatbot tailored to your needs. Register now to secure your spot and enjoy our early bird discount. This is more than just a workshop, it's an investment in your business's future. Seats are filling up fast, so act now to stay ahead of the competition. Prefer a hassle-free solution? Let us build the chatbot for you. Contact us today, and our team will create a custom AI chatbot that perfectly fits your business. Don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead of the competition. Visit shogini.com or email us at support@shogini.com to get started.